Hello and welcome to the Tech Think Tank. I am your host Saptarshi. In this video, we'll be discussing OAuth, a protocol that is commonly used for user authorization in web applications. In this video, we'll explain how OAuth works and take a closer look at the different components that make up the OAuth protocol. We'll also explore some of the common use cases for OAuth and discuss some best practices for implementing it in your own applications. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate OAuth into your application or just interested in learning more about this powerful protocol, this video is for you. So, let's dive into the world of OAuth and see how it can benefit you and your users. Have you ever wondered how websites and apps access your information without you having to give them your password? It's all thanks to a technology called OAuth. OAuth is an open standard for access delegation, commonly used as a way for Internet users to grant websites or applications access to their information on other websites but without giving them the password. OAuth is becoming increasingly popular as a method for granting access to data and services on the web, and it is widely used by large and small websites, as well as by many mobile and desktop applications.
OAuth defines several grant types that determine how the access token is obtained. Each grant type is designed for a specific scenario and use case. Here are the most common grant types in OAuth. 1. Authorization code grant. 2. Implicit grant. 3. Resource owner password credentials grant. 4. Client credentials grant. 5. Refresh token grant. Each grant type has its own benefits and limitations, and the choice of grant type depends on the specific use case and security requirements. It is essential to choose the appropriate grant type to ensure that the security and privacy of user data are protected. My next video will explain grant types in detail. Look out for that video on the channel.
OAuth works by allowing users to grant access to their information on one website to another website, without giving the other website their password. This is done through a process of authorization, in which the user is asked to grant permission for the other website to access their information on the first website. Here's how it works in practice.
Say you want to log into an app using your Google account. The app redirects you to Google's OAuth provider, which is the website that hosts your information. You are then prompted to grant permission for the app to access your Google information. If you agree, Google generates an access token, which is a unique identifier that allows the app to access your information on Google, without ever having to ask you for your password.
Let's elaborate what Jenny just said. 1. A user visits a website or application that wants to access their information on another website. 2. The website or application redirects the user to the OAuth provider, which is the website that hosts the user's information. 3. The user is asked to grant permission for the website or application to access their information on the OAuth provider. 4. If the user grants permission, the OAuth provider generates an access token, which is a unique identifier that allows the website or application to access the user's information on the OAuth provider. 5. The website or application can then use the access token to access the user's information on the OAuth provider, without ever having to ask the user for their password.
This process is secure and convenient, as it allows you to control what information the app can access and when. But it's not just about logging into apps. OAuth is used in a wide range of applications, from social media to e-commerce to enterprise applications.
Many social media websites, such as Facebook and Twitter, use OAuth to allow users to grant third-party apps access to their information on those sites. This means that you can use apps like Hootsuite or Buffer to manage your social media accounts without having to give them your password.
Online retailers may use OAuth to allow users to log in and purchase items using their account information from other websites. This means that you can buy something on Amazon without having to create a new account, as long as you have an account on a website that uses OAuth.
Many enterprise applications use OAuth to provide single sign-on capabilities, allowing users to log into multiple applications using a single set of credentials. This means that you can access all of your company's apps without having to remember multiple passwords.
OAuth has revolutionized the way that websites and applications access user information on the web. By providing a secure and convenient way for users to grant access to their information, OAuth has made it possible for a wide range of websites and applications to interoperate with one another, without compromising user privacy or security. As OAuth continues to gain popularity, it is likely that we will see even more innovative applications of this powerful technology in the years to come. So the next time you log into an app using your Google or Facebook account, remember that it's all thanks to OAuth. Thanks for tuning in to this video on OAuth, brought to you by the Tech Think Tank. We hope you found this overview of OAuth informative and helpful in understanding how it works and how it can be used to secure your applications and APIs. If you have any questions or comments about OAuth, or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. As always, thank you for your support and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, this is Saptarshi signing off.